Imagine stepping into a soothing crimson glow and walking out feeling rejuvenated. This is the power of red light therapy. Often found in dermatologists' offices, spas, and now even at home, this innovative treatment has garnered attention for its wide array of health benefits. From enhancing skin complexion to accelerating muscle recovery, red light therapy is making waves in the wellness community. What if you could tap into a therapy that not only revives your skin, but also supports well being? Red light therapy promises just that. By using low wavelength red light, this technique dives deep into your skin's layers, stimulating cellular repair and boosting circulation. It's a non invasive marvel that's gaining popularity for its effectiveness and ease of use. Let's delve into how red light therapy can be a game changer for your health regimen. Red light therapy, recognized for its rehabilitative properties, has emerged as a powerful tool in enhancing overall health and wellness. Originating from the principle of using low wavelength light, this therapy delves into your skin and muscles for various health benefits. Red light therapy, encompassing terminologies like low level light therapy, photobiomodulation, and low power laser therapy, utilizes LED devices to emit red and near infrared light at 660 to 890 nanometers wavelength. The process begins when your skin absorbs the red light, initiating a chain of cellular responses. Vital among these is the activation of mitochondrial receptors, the powerhouses within your cells, enhancing cell function and efficiency. This activation also stimulates nitric oxide production, boosting blood circulation and improving nutrient and oxygen delivery throughout your body. The cellular and circulatory enhancement is foundational to the extensive health benefits attributed to red light therapy. Red light therapy stands for its efficacy in reducing inflammation and alleviating pain. Chronic inflammation, linked to numerous severe conditions, responds well to this treatment, enhancing cellular energy and blood flow. Research underscores red light therapy's effectiveness in mitigating inflammation across various body parts and reducing musculoskeletal pain. Notable reductions have been recorded for conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, plantar fasciitis, and temporomandibular disorder, showcasing the therapy's versatility and broad therapeutic reach. Aside from its physical health benefits, red light therapy also significantly influences mood and energy levels. It's particularly beneficial for conditions like seasonal affective disorder, offering an advantageous alternative to traditional light therapies that use blue light. Red light therapy enhances sleep quality and has been shown to ease symptoms of depression and anxiety, contributing to overall well-being and vitality by supporting cellular energy and healthy sleep cycles. In the realm of physical activity and injury recovery, red light therapy accelerates the healing process. By activating mitochondrial receptors in muscle cells, it plays a crucial role in muscle metabolism and energy provision, essential for muscle function and repair. Reviews of numerous studies indicate that red light therapy reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, thus facilitating quicker recovery from muscle fatigue and injuries. This makes it a valuable addition to the regimens of athletes and physically active individuals. It may also promote hair growth. Exploring the benefits of red light therapy extends even to hair growth. Recent studies, including a comprehensive 2021 review, document significant increase in hair density when using specific red light wavelengths. These findings open promising avenues for addressing hair loss concerns, adding another layer to the therapy's diverse advantages. Potentially one of the most groundbreaking applications of red light therapy is its capability to enhance both brain function and counteract dementia symptoms. Preliminary human studies have shown improvements in cognitive function, memory recall, and executive functioning. These results, coupled with therapy's non-invasive nature and lack of negative side effects, position red light therapy as a hopeful option in the ongoing battle against cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. Red light therapy offers remarkable benefits for your skin, leveraging low wavelength lights to enhance collagen production, combat aging, and much more. Here's how it can specifically improve the health and appearance of your skin. Red light therapy is adept at promoting youthful, healthier-looking skin. It serves as an effective, non-invasive method to reduce wrinkles and rejuvenate the skin. This therapy notably boosts collagen production, a crucial protein that decreases as you age, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. Enhanced collagen levels results in increased skin elasticity, fewer wrinkles, and smoother skin texture. For optimal results, regular use over 4 to 6 weeks typically shows significant improvements, all without any adverse effects. Red light therapy also plays a vital role in managing skin inflammation, significantly beneficial in treating acne and other skin conditions. Effective for mild to moderate acne, red light therapy utilizes wavelengths around 630 nanometers to reduce acne lesions successfully, with optimal results observed after 10 weeks of regular treatment. Combining red and blue light, which has antibacterial properties, has been proven to be safe and even more effective against acne. Additionally, studies highlight its potential in treating psoriasis, offering significant clearance rates up to 100% in certain cases. In addition to cosmetic improvements, red light therapy excels in promoting wound healing and potentially reducing the visibility of scars. Studies show that red light speeds up the healing process of wounds and burns, competing favorably with controls, including even those not treated at all. This therapy method is also beneficial for skin grafts and infected wounds. Furthermore, research indicates that red light therapy may reduce scar formation by regulating collagen production in scar tissues, offering a dual mechanism, increasing or reducing collagen production as needed to heal and improve skin appearance. Are there any precautions with red light therapy? You might wonder if there are any precautions you need to consider before using red light therapy, given its array of benefits. Indeed, while red light therapy is generally safe, several precautions can ensure that you get the most out of the treatment without adverse effects. If your skin is particularly sensitive, you might experience minor side effects from red light therapy. Common reactions include temporary redness and slight irritation at the treatment site. It's important to test the therapy on a small area of your skin before a full treatment session, especially if you're prone to skin conditions or have had reactions to light-based treatments before. Direct exposure to the eyes of red light can be harmful. Although the light is low wavelength and generally safe, it's advisable to wear protective goggles during the therapy sessions. This precaution prevents potential eye strain or damage, ensuring the therapy remains beneficial, not detrimental. Before you begin red light therapy, checking for any pre-existing health conditions that might be affected by the treatment is also crucial. For instance, if you have a history of photosensitivity or are currently taking medications that might increase light sensitivity, such as certain antibiotics or chemotherapy drugs, consult your healthcare provider first. They can advise whether red light therapy is suitable for you, and if so, what specific precautions to take. Also, just know when to stop. Listen to your body. If you experience discomfort, severe skin reactions, or any unexpected symptoms, it's best to stop the therapy immediately and consult a medical professional. Although severe side effects are rare, staying vigilant helps prevent complications. By being aware of these precautions, you can safely incorporate red light therapy into your health and wellness regimen, maximizing its numerous benefits while minimizing risks. Following the recommended precautions, you can implement red light therapy into your daily routine to optimize its wide array of benefits. Here's how you can incorporate this innovative treatment effectively. At home, many red light therapy devices are available for home use, ranging from handheld units to large panels. Placing a device in your living room allows for convenience of treatment at your schedule. Morning sessions kickstart cell activity, enhancing energy levels, while evening sessions can help you relax and repair tissue overnight. In a professional setting, visiting a clinic offers the advantage of using more powerful devices under the supervision of trained professionals. These sessions might be ideal if you're targeting specific health issues or seeking optimized results. Clinics often provide a regimen that includes multiple visits each week, which maximizes the therapy's efficacy. Incorporate red light therapy into a broader health regimen to enhance overall results. Combining it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration amplifies the therapy's effects on body restoration and stress reduction. This approach ensures that you harness the full potential of red light therapy alongside other health practices. Each method allows you to enjoy the benefits of red light therapy, such as improved skin, faster muscle recovery, and increased collagen production, depending on your personal health goals and lifestyle. Incorporate it in a way that fits your needs and observe the transformation in your well-being.